Y'all, I signed up for Heat Transfer Warehouse's Decorating Challenge, and I don't know what I'm going to do. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrice. If this is your first time here, look at the other content, check it out. If you enjoy it, please consider subscribing to this channel. For my returning subscribers and members, hey y'all. So I signed up for Heat Transfer Warehouse's Decorating Garment Challenge, and the challenge is for us to decorate this sublimation apron using DesignMate, which is Sawgrass's latest design software. And we're going to be using our Sawgrass SG500 sublimation printer, and we will try to design something inside of DesignMate for this apron for Thanksgiving. So let's get started. All right, y'all, so now we're on the Sawgrass website, and this is DesignMate. There's a few apps that you can download from this website to use with your Sawgrass printer. However, DesignMate is web-based. You can have access to these different templates and make your own mock-ups and things like that. It's not just for designing. You can also use this as a marketplace to sell products or even sell your designs for others to place on products. Well, now we're just going to open up a new canvas, and to open up the canvas, you click Design Your Canvas. I'm going to be using this circle shape. You can use whatever other SVGs that you have. If you have a template in a specific shape or pattern or whatever it is you want to use, you can upload that there. We will be using the free version of the design software. There is a paid version where you will get access to, and all of the images included in the paid version has that symbol on it that I just showed you. However, now we're just going to place some of the free images inside of the circle, and I'm going to create an image for us to sub onto the apron. And we are making a Thanksgiving Day design inside of this software, and we're going to see what we can make. Now, I must say there's not a lot that you can choose from with the free version. However, you can make some things work. Even though this software is web-based, you will be able to upload your system font onto the software and use your system font with the software. You can also import other images and designs from elsewhere, designs that you've created or maybe purchased. You can also import those designs within the software and use them to create your designs. And once we're done creating this, we are going to then open up the PrintMate app, and that is the app that allows you to print. If you previously had a Sawgrass printer, your other software and setups, Print Manager will work just fine for you also. All right, y'all, so this is what I've come up with so far. So I'm going to get ready and save this, and we're going to print it out. All right, so it's saved. We're going to name this Happy Thanksgiving. And I'm going to select continue. All right, so next we're going to print it, but if you plan on selling anything using this design, you can do that via this software, DesignMate. There's so many different things that you could do. We're just going to print this portion out now, and we're going to place it onto our apron. I'm going to select print. When we select print, PrintMate will open up. That's a different app. And you need to make sure that you download the PrintMate app in order to be able to print. Okay, so here's the design that is going to be printed out, and you just want to make sure all of your settings look good. This is mirrored, as you can see. And the product that we're going to be placing this on, this is going to be on polyester. So we're just going to select polyester here. Print quality, I'm going to leave everything else the same. All right, and so we're going to get ready to press print and head over to the printer to see this printing out. All right, so it's done printing. And this is what we have, so we're going to head over to our heat press. All right, so we're going to go ahead and place our apron here. I'm going to lint roll it. And then we're going to give it a pre-press, and then we're going to get ready to press the first print. All right, that's enough. And now we're going to get ready to press the image that we printed, and it's going to go right here. All right, there we go. And then I'm going to place a piece of butcher paper on top. And we're going to press this at 380 degrees for 45 seconds. All right, we are all done. And we see our image through the paper. And that's what we have so far. All right, so I am actually going to also create some designs to go on the bottom part, but for now, this is what we made in DesignMate, and this is how it looks. Alright guys, so I went ahead and printed out a few more images because I really wanted to do an all over design, and I'm not really quite sure how to get that done with DesignMate just yet, and I want to make sure to fill up some of that apron a little bit more. And there I'm just printing out my design that I did not have my tray properly set to, and it fell on the floor. But nonetheless, now we are going to go ahead and place some sublimation images onto the apron, and I'm just piecing some together because I really want a fuller looking design onto this apron. And we're just lining this up. There is, where the pocket of the apron is, you want to make sure you have enough pressure there when you're getting ready to press. So I'm just going to place some pressing pillows in that area just to make sure that the apron presses correctly. So this is important when you have different types of items where certain parts like pockets and things like that might prevent your item from pressing correctly. So everything should be fine. And I just want to note that, remember, we pressed the top part of the apron. You want to make sure that that part is not under the heat press unprotected without butcher paper on top, because we are pressing this apron multiple times and you don't want to press any area twice. So make sure that you place your butcher paper on top in case it gets under the heat press. You don't want to mess up your press. But y'all, look at this. These colors look absolutely amazing. This came out way better than I thought. I really didn't have an idea of what I wanted to do, especially after I couldn't do an all over print. But y'all, this looks absolutely beautiful. I love how this came out. Those colors look great, and that design is the cutest. All right, y'all, so this is like the only time that I will probably ever wear an apron. But yo, it is so cute. It looks really, really good. These colors look amazing. And I think this apron is perfect for my auntie for Thanksgiving, because she's the one who's going to do all the cooking. Y'all know my auntie. But these colors look absolutely amazing. Let me know what y'all think of it. I have so many different elements going on here. I would have loved to do an all over sublimation print on this apron. And thankfully, and again, thanks Heat Transfer Warehouse for putting this together. Heat Transfer Warehouse sent me 2 of these aprons, so I can go ahead and do an all over one as well. But this looks absolutely cute. There's a lot going on. Let me know what you all think down below. All right, so I turned the light out so you can see a little bit better. This is the top part that we designed in DesignMate. And look at this. Look at the type of colors that the Sawgrass SG500 produces. And I turned off the major light so that you guys could really get a chance to see those colors. These colors look absolutely amazing. So thank you for hanging out with me today while I designed this and put so many different elements together. It looks absolutely stunning. Again, you can't go wrong with a Sawgrass SG500 printer or the SG1000. You just can't go wrong with Sawgrass printers. So if you are interested in DesignMate, there will be a link listed below to the Sawgrass website so that you can check it out. There will also be links below listed to Heat Transfer Warehouse and also Sawgrass. Again, if you like this or if you think it's a hot mess, whichever one you think, let me know below. But that's it for today. Thank you all so much for hanging out and watching with me. Until next time, y'all.